Hello there. Today we're going to show you how we get an even cake top on our buttercream cakes. Now we like to use our American buttercream, and you can find our complete recipe and tutorial at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette.com, where you can download it there. Now make sure when you're starting this process, your cake needs to be cold. So it needs to be straight from the fridge. If your icing is warm, it will not work. Okay, so make sure your cake is nice and chilled, and grab a nice flat bladed knife. Place it perfectly flat and horizontal against your cake and slowly move it around towards you, just removing all the excess buttercream as it comes off. When you're finished going right around, use your offset spatula and you can just smooth over the top. Okay, it's nice and simple, but it does take some practice. And just remember to keep that blade nice and flat. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.